Hey guys, welcome to another video on Explainer Zone. So I've seen a lot of comments on videos where people talk about ARK Invest, asking how YouTubers know when ARK Invest buys or sells a stock. Like this person who is saying, "Great video bro, how can I find out what ARK Invest in?" So I thought I'll make a quick video explaining how to get an update to your email when ARK Invest buys and sells stocks. I personally find this very helpful as ARK Invest has some of the best performing ETFs out there. Take ARKK for example, which is ARK Invest's Innovation ETF and is one of the 5 actively managed ETFs by ARK. It consists of stocks of 47 different companies as of 2nd October 2020 and has given a return of over 166% since the stock market crash in March. So I think ARK Invest has some really smart people working for them, doing a lot of research and identifying companies which they believe have some good growth potential. Of course, they are not always right. No one is always right. Just because ARK Invest is buying a particular stock doesn't mean it's a good stock. And just because ARK Invest is selling some stock doesn't mean it's a bad stock. So these email updates are just for informational purposes. And I personally use the information from their email updates as a starting point to identify companies and then do my own research on those companies to see if I think they're good companies to invest in. That's why I think this is great information. And if you would like to get those email updates as well, this is how you do it. It's very easy. Just Google ARK Invest and go to their website. Head over to Investment Solutions option at the top and click ETFs. That will take you to their ETFs page. If you scroll down on this page, you'll find a button at the bottom right corner which says Explore ARK ETFs. And if you click on that button, it will take you to another page where you have the option Investor Resources at the top. If you hover the mouse cursor on Investor Resources, you'll find the option Trade Notifications, and clicking that will take you to the sign up page for ARK Invest trade notifications. I'll also leave a direct link to the sign up page in the description below if anyone needs it. So in order to sign up, there's not really a lot that needs to be done except for providing an email address, first and last name, and a company name, which is not mandatory. Once you finish signing up, if you chose to do so, you will start getting email updates regarding the trades made by ARK Invest. And these updates usually have information such as the names of the companies and ticker symbols of the stocks which they sold or bought that particular day, and also information regarding the number of shares in each transaction and the fund or the ETF the stocks were part of. There are also other updates which you can subscribe for on ARK Invest website if you like. On the trade notifications page, for example, there is a subscribe button at the top. Clicking that will take you to another sign up page where you can select if you would like to receive updates about quarterly reports on ARK ETFs, updates on their research, invitations to webinars and events, and direct communications. There's also a subscribe button at the top on their main page which you can use to sign up for podcast notifications, innovation insights, etc. in the field of your interest from the list of fields they cover, which include artificial intelligence, robotics and automation, blockchain and crypto assets, DNA sequencing and gene editing, fintech innovation, energy storage and battery tech, and next generation internet. So yeah, just thought this will be useful for people who were wondering how to get these updates and thought of making this quick video. Hope this helped, and if it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. I plan on doing some detailed videos on all of ARK Invest ETFs that are available, and I hope to provide some value by doing those. So stay tuned. That's it for this video guys. Hope you liked the video and found value in it. As a disclaimer, I would like to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video or any of the videos on Explainer Zone are not meant to be investment advice. All the videos in Explainer Zone are only for entertainment and educational purposes, and please do your own research and due diligence before investing in stocks or anything else, as there is a risk associated with them.